Hi, Lee Johnson here with Aspen Ridge Cabins. We are going to go over some details of the master spa we have here at the Beechtree Burrow. It does have a cover lift, so never actually take the hot tub cover off of the tub itself. Always use the cover lift. And it really helps you use two people. If you don't, while I'm filming, I can try to lift in the middle here. And just simply, gently open it. And that's how it'll look once it's open. Of course, you have the jets. And the other set of jets is the auxiliary button. Really powerful hot tub and very spacious. So for the lights, and in the wintertime, we have these heated mats installed. If you want to turn everything off, just hit the switch here. Or if you just want to unplug the lights, just unplug it here. Enjoy. Accessing the cabin is very easy. Just type in the code and then the unlock button. If for whatever reason this code is not working, the same code we provided is in the physical lockbox here. So just type that in, push down, and you should be able to access the keys that way. For the heating and air system, you should never need to adjust the modes. If you do, it's this button. Temperature is up and down this way. Of course, what you're looking for in the wintertime is the sun button. Now in the summer, you're going to look for the snow icon. And up here we got a pass-through fan. It's good to keep this fan running. Of course, if you don't like the sound, you can turn it off. And it's also good to keep this fan running. And last thing, we do have the space heater here. If it does get a little bit chilly at night, feel free to use that space heater. To connect your devices to the provided cell phone at the Beechtree Burrow, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Hotspot and Tethering. Click this, toggle it on. There is no security, so you should be able to connect your devices directly to it without having to type in any kind of password.